Hey everyone, thank you so much for tuning in today. My name is Julie Oliverius, and how would you like to make your makeup look fresher, longer throughout the day without having to reapply? Well, I know I would. And so it wasn't until a few years ago that I ever even started using this product. And now it's just one of those things like everybody needs to have it in their makeup bag. So today I want to talk to you and share with you about primer. If you've seen some of my other videos, you know I always start the video using primer. Primer goes on before your makeup. So think of it like you're going to paint the walls in your house. So let's say the wall's got some cracks in it, fine lines, and maybe it's a really just crazy color, right? If you're choosing paint for your wall, you're going to want to apply a primer first because that's going to help provide a barrier between the paint and the current wall color. And it's going to help that new coat of paint go on really, really smooth without having to apply a lot of layers. So makeup primer is the same as paint primer in the fact that you want to put it on your face before you put on any makeup. And what it's going to do is it's going to help smooth out your face. It's going to help fill in those fine lines, really make it nice and smooth, and provide a barrier between your face and the makeup so that your makeup doesn't just soak into your skin throughout the day, because that's where you get the blotchiness. That's where you get it smudging off and not staying on all day. So the first thing to do when you are using a primer is you want to moisturize. Moisturizing your face does a couple of things for you. First of all, it plumps up your skin. So, if your skin's feeling a little dry, a little saggy, moisturize. It's going to help plump it up, give you a more youthful look. Moisturizing also helps even out your skin before applying the primer. Another thing that moisturizing does, which a lot of people don't realize, is it actually helps control oil. So if you have oily skin, you absolutely should be moisturizing. Basically what happens when you've got oily skin, and I have oily skin, basically what happens is your body is overproducing oil to make up for the moisture that you're lacking. So if you apply moisturizer to your face, you help reduce oil. So first you want to moisturize, then you want to apply the primer. Now, primer can be applied with your fingertips. If you want to get fancy and use a brush or a blending bud, by all means, go for it. But for me, I always just use my fingers. Make sure you wash your hands first. Make sure your hands are clean before you touch your face. So, and basically what that's going to do, then, like I said, then the makeup sets on to the primer, helps provide that barrier between your skin, and it just helps your makeup look more flawless all day long. Now, the particular primer that I use, it comes in this size tube here, lasts me several months. You don't have to use a whole lot at a time. But what I like about it is that you can also use it on your eyelids. So today I am wearing a cream eyeshadow in a really soft pink color. But as you can see, there's no creasing. And for any of you that have ever used a cream shadow, you know that that can be a concern. So one thing I like about this primer is that you can also use it around your eyes, under your eyes, and on your eyelids to help prevent any sort of creasing, prevent your eye makeup from smudging off, that kind of thing. So while some people think that primer, maybe doesn't matter, I'm to the point now where I don't wear my makeup without it because it makes such a big difference. So it really helps to cut down on the cost of makeup. By using the primer first, you're going to use less makeup, which means you're going to spend less money, which is awesome. Plus, your face is not going to look as cakey with makeup piled on it if you're using a primer, because it's providing that really nice base layer to help smooth everything out. So if you've got questions, let me know. Feel free to check out my website, julieoliverius.com. If you go to the My Community tab, you can actually subscribe to my blog. You can become a VIP member, which is totally free for you, but it's a great way to get in on specials and whatnot that you won't see on my public fan page. And you can also shop through my online store. So if you've got questions, let me know, and I'll be happy to help you. Talk to you later. Bye.